guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kodisle. Coin is the month of August and we are here with a new August Boxycharm, guys. So I promise that I'm going to be showing you guys what I get in my Boxycharm box every month. So I'm doing this month right here, and thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And also, if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscription button down there and the notification bell, so that every time I upload my video, you're gonna be the first person to know. So we are in the month of August and I got my Boxycharm box. So I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I have in my Boxycharm box of August. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I'm not gonna take you guys time today. We are not doing any makeup, but I'm just going to show you guys what I have in this box of Boxycharm, and maybe later in my videos I'm going to be using some of this product, but today I didn't plan on doing any makeup while I show you guys what I have in my box of Boxycharm of August this month. So as usual, we have the list of the price of every item that I have in the box. The original price of them that we are paying, like you guys know that I have tell you that I keep on telling you, is just $20 every month. And these are the list of all the product that I have in this box today, and I'm going to be showing you guys, and I will be telling you how much they actually worth that we are getting for $20 a month. So first thing first, I love everything that I have in this box. Like everything that I have in here, it's a full face thing, so you can do your makeup with all of this, but you're just gonna have to add you know, a little bit maybe foundation, concealer, but everything I have in here is super awesome. So the first item that I'm gonna be showing you guys on the list is gonna be the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh powder, which is right here. So this is the powder right here. I will be taking it out of the box and let you guys see what size the powder is. So I didn't have Becca powder before. I actually have their bronzer, but this is the powder. You can use it as a setting powder, you can use it as a all over face powder, which is, I really love it. It's really good. I can't wait to use it. And that product right there is cost $39. This powder right here at Sephora, at Ulta Beauty, it's called $39. So the next product on this list is gonna be the Wonder Glow Head Illuminating Oil, which is this one right here. And I have not tried this before too. I don't know what it looks like, so I don't know if you guys can see because of my lighting, but I'm gonna be showing you right here. Let me move closer to the, there we go. So there it is right there. It's like an oil or something. I think you use that for your face before you apply your foundation and all of that. And the price of that one is cost $42. For this one, it's retail for $42 at Ulta. I don't know where I can get this from, but I'm pretty sure Becca is in Sephora and Ulta Beauty, but this one I don't know if Sephora or Ulta Beauty have that. And so the next product on the list is gonna be the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, which is this one right here. It's a serum. I really love putting serum on my face also because it makes my face so refreshing. So this is the glass. I'm gonna take it out and let you guys see what it looks like. So this is it right here, and I think this one is just it says peach extract plus peptide complex. Like I probably should, maybe after you finish you get out of the shower and you apply your moisturizer or your under eye cream, then you can use this. And also you can use the Wonder product too. And so, and that one is retail for the Peach and Lily serum right here is retail for Peach and Lily is retail for $39. This one right here, Peach and Lily, my lighting is kind of like giving me a little problem on showing you guys because it's too bright. So I'm just gonna move closer to the camera. I'm pretty sure maybe you guys can see it that way. I think so, if you can read it. So that is retail for $39. And also the next product on the agenda, on the list, yeah, the agenda and the list is all the same thing. So the next product on the list is called the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. Ooh, I don't know, I can't wait to use these two eyeshadow right here, and this is it right there. Look at that. Look at that purple. Is it purple? Yeah, I think it's purple or pink. It's purple. And look at the silver, like the shimmery, the two shimmery of the, oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I don't know what I'm gonna be creating with that, but that is so awesome. And each of these is retail for $25. So I don't know if Sephora or Ulta Beauty have this, but these, each of it is $25. So, and last but not the least on the list is the Steve Laurent lip liner right there. So Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is retail for $15. So guys, I promise to be showing you guys this every month, which is what I'm doing right now. So if you guys don't want to spend too much money on your cosmetics, like going to the store and buying all those high-end cosmetics, if you can't afford it, I think this Boxycharm, I'm not getting paid for this because I love this, I like it. That's why I'm here to share you with you guys, because I don't want to eat this alone. I want to give it out. I want you guys to feel it too. So this is awesome for $20 a month, which is so great. Not gay, this is so great. So $20 a month for all this product that is totally worth, let's say $39, $42, probably almost $150. Seriously, almost. If you're interested, you can just go ahead and go to their website, and you know, I might be able to put the link down here, description box, for you guys. If you guys don't know how to get there, I'm just gonna put it down there for you guys so that you can go from there and just, you know, go to the website and check it out, and just, you know, go ahead and subscribe to them and get your box every month, which is awesome. So this is all I have for you guys right now. And thank you so much one more time for watching this video. And also, like I always say, subscribe to my channel. Remember to do that. Help me grow, help me grow. If you are my friend, if you're with me and you really want to help me out, please go ahead and click that subscription button. Please click the subscription button and the notification bell also. And the notification bells is kind of like tricky now. If you click the notification bell, please remember to click all notification bells so that when I upload my video, you are going to get notified. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.